Most people don't open up because we ask surface level questions. But the right question, it unlocks honesty. Here are 3 questions that instantly go deeper. Question number 1. Reflective. What would your future self want you to do right now? This question shifts people from excuses to clarity. Question number 2. Emotional. What advice would you give your younger self? Notice what happens? Stories come out about regret, pride, or wisdom. Question number 3, a perspective shift. If your life were a movie, what would the audience be screaming at you? This question removes judgment and reveals the truth. Great conversations don't come from talking more. They come from asking deeper questions. Try one today and listen to the answer carefully.